G'day everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Now we're going to take a look at two features out of Copilot Chat and integrating into Outlook that I think have gone a little bit under the radar. The first one we're going to take a look at is how we can, out of Copilot Chat, use it to schedule or find time and schedule a meeting with one of our colleagues. And then we're going to actually write an email and then be able to send the email directly from the Copilot Chat user experience, not inside of Outlook. Let's dive in and have a look. So I'm logged in as Frankie here. Now I have flicked the model over to Anthropic and Claude Sonnet for this use case here. So I'm just going to use Whisperflow. Can you please find a time in the next 24 hours that Daniel and I can meet? So I'm going to ask Copilot this question, all right? Now let's have a look and see what we get, all right? So it's found Daniel. Top collaborator, let me check the availability for both, right? So now it's looking at both calendars, and then Copilot's going to suggest some times, right? So both Daniel and Frankie here is available at a particular time, all right? So here's some times. I've got some suggested times. We might go for, let's go for Thursday, all right? So I can send the invite for option 2, and then Daniel will receive that invite. Now, what about if we wanted to write an email? Okay, so ordinarily, and this is a question that comes up a lot and a little bit of a frustration, is that if we use Copilot Chat to write an email, we'd have to copy and paste it out into an email, but we can do it directly from the chat now. Can you please write an email now to Daniel, just preparing and giving some insight into the context of this meeting. Now, the meeting is going to be about producing or enhancing our Copilot enablement program across Copilot Chat and also the agent experience as well. So can you just write an email that I can send to him? So here, let's write the email, okay? Using Whisperflow again, I've just voiced and spoke to Copilot, all right? So what Copilot's going to do now is draft the email. It's going to present the email here, but it is going to allow me to send the email directly from the chat as well, right? I can edit the email before I send it, I can review it, and then I can do all of that without having to copy and paste it out of the chat. So here's the email, right? So we're looking, it's drafting the email, but you can see here that it's rendered the email inside of the chat. I can open it in Outlook if I wanted to. I could add some CCs to people. I can edit the email here. And if I now just want to send that, I can hit send, and it's actually going to email and send the email directly from the chat user experience, right? So integration now means that we don't have to go and context switch. We can stay in as they used to say, stay in the flow of work, and I can use Copilot Chat now really as my assistant in regards to finding time, but also writing emails and sending emails directly from the chat. So 2 features I think went a little bit under the radar. Go and check them out. Use it in your flow of work, and it will help you be more productive and use Copilot in this type of way.